Well, with this video, I want to show you, in my opinion, what is the best funnel, especially for the money, that's available in 2024, and I have no doubt in 2025, okay? It's the end of October right now, and in a month or two, that's right, 2025 is going to be knocking, all right? We're going to be ringing in the new year. I don't think I've ever rang in a new year. What does that mean anyway? But anyway, a funnel. Oh man, I had no idea what a funnel was a year and a half ago. Okay. I just barely started doing this online thing, March of 2023 to be exact. And I really didn't take it serious until April. So over the last year and a half, I've been really having a great time learning as I go. And one of the nice things is I'm actually making money too. Okay. Not only just in one opportunity, but now I've got 6 online incomes and they all complement each other. Okay. I don't do Amazon and then tires, pizza, digital products, healthcare. I don't mix it up like Amazon. I'm not a buffet. I like to get laser targeted on one thing online and get pretty good at it. And then maybe there's 2 or 3 other things that I can do. And what I mean by that is YouTube video. I can get a webcam, make a video like this and talk about an opportunity. And then maybe I can learn how to do proper social media posting where people might click and watch short videos and join said opportunity. Maybe I get good at emails. Maybe I need leads for those emails. Maybe I need education. Okay. All these things I need to be successful in my Live Good business. And then I just went, well, God, what? I'm going all over the internet, searching for all these things. And I buy some things and they're not worth a little cup of pee, if you know what I mean. And then some other things I buy and go, okay, now this is awesome. I want to tell my friends on YouTube, I want to tell my downline about what I'm using to be successful. Okay. Especially if you're in a MLP, multi-level pay. Call it matrix, call it MLM. It's ingenious the way that you can earn money by helping people earn money. Okay. So after a while, I just said, well, God, why don't I just put all this together? And people, if they know, like, or trust me, and if they can look into the opportunity, do research, and if they can afford whatever the software tools are, then I think that maybe it'll help my downline duplicate, okay, multiply. That's the whole trick at the end of the day. All of us can get a job and get paid by the hour or maybe a salary every 30 days. But if you're going to have downlines and matrix situations and be an affiliate where people are joining you and you're making money by helping them make money, then why not put it in one location like a shopping mall? Pull up to a mall, park, go in and buy pants, shoes, maybe a watch, get some tacos or, I don't know, a milkshake. And on the way out, that mall has now profited probably anywhere from 3 to 4 to 5 times in 5 different stores with 5 different products. Okay. So a funnel to me is a shopping mall. You go, you click something. In my case, pleasewatchvideo.com. I put a couple of my own business opportunities in this funnel because there's 4 incomes. There's 4 stores in the mall. The first one is the funnel itself. People, they can join by the month or just pay by the year. And you can make a $20 bill or a $200 bill. Okay, that's awesome. And then they might want to join 1 or 2 of your opportunities. In my case, I put Live Good in. And then I also put in either my email opportunity or I have artificial intelligence, a company that I pay 20 some odd bucks a month. Okay. And I like to use artificial intelligence. And then with this funnel, it's owned by a company called Traffic Authority. And if people buy education or clicks or leads from them, since I'm an affiliate with Traffic Authority, I get income from there too. About 7 days ago, I made a $600 commission just off Traffic Authority. Okay. I make a real nice living just off Live Good. Okay. I make about $2,300 with my email campaign, orderleadstoday.com. Check that out. Okay. But then the funnel came in my life. I just went to GoDaddy. I bought pleasewatchvideo.com and I forward it to what I'm going to show you. Okay. It goes to this page. Has palm trees, YouTube video, and then you can click right here if you like what you see. So watch this video. I'm done. I don't have anything else to do because the video explains 100% everything that I do. And if you do want to join by the month or by the year, I'm going to send you exactly what I do, the exact opportunities and how I make the funnel rock and roll. But it all starts first with pleasewatchvideo.com. So I went to GoDaddy. And this is what, I'll show you my business card here. Okay, I bought this domain name. It was about $11. And then I forwarded it to this palm tree page. You can do the same thing, but you got to get your own domain. So, pleasewatchvideo.com. You come here, you watch a video. If you like what you see, go ahead and sign up. And if you're not into it, just delete and go on your way. Okay, now, if you do decide to join, this is the back office with the multiple income funnel. All right. In my opinion, it's the best funnel on the planet right now. Okay. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch those steps. It's a little video here. You can see right in the middle of my screen. That's how you're going to set it up. And if you have no idea about 2 businesses to put in income stream number 2 and 3, then get a hold of me. Because I hope you look into Legacy Builders program. I hope you look into LiveGood. I hope you look into my email system. Okay. Or even my AI. All right. I rotate these and I just mix it up like a salad. But in this case, I'm going to show you just this funnel. Okay. So right here at the top, see where it says links? When you click that, you can pick all the capture pages that they already have built. I have always liked the ocean and the palm trees, getting a tan by some, by some nice young ladies walking around in some bikinis. Okay, that's why I picked the palm tree picture that you saw earlier. And I've signed up hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people this way. Okay, I'm a big fan of multiple income right here in front of your face. They've got customer service. All right, Mandy, she's awesome. Okay, the owner, Greg, he owns Traffic Authority, and it's the company that owns this whole website. Okay. They have great education and clicks and leads, like I said. And if you're an affiliate for $20, you can earn money, commissions by people going and shopping in his store. Okay. With LiveGood, I love it. Okay. I hope you join LiveGood. And when people look into the opportunity, they can watch this video here that I put in. This is Ben Glinsky. Okay. He's the CEO. And if people want to sign up, they can go right here, this little blue button. Or they just go to joincory.com. You can see it right there. Now with Legacy, if they want to look into this opportunity and $100 to $900 a day, I have been making with this opportunity. Okay. It's just one of the stores inside the mall. There's 4 stores and I put in LiveGood and Legacy Builders program. And if people like what they see with Michelle here after a video, boom, sign up today. Same thing with LiveGood. Watch. They watch a video, boom, sign up today. And guess what? With the multiple income funnel, the same thing. You go and watch that palm tree picture video. And if you like what you see, you can join. Guys, I'll help you do this. You can get 4 incomes with 1 click. You know how nice it is just to promote pleasewatchvideo.com. And I can sit back. And if you guys just join the funnel, you don't even want to join Legacy or the email program, or you don't want any leads or educational courses, but you want a funnel because you have 2 other businesses that you like. Guys, mission accomplished. If you join by the month, I get a $20 commission. Thank you. And if you want to save a ton of money and join by the year, my commissions are $200. Sometimes I get up and I have 1 or 2 people sign up by the time I take my first tinkle of the day. You know how nice it is to make $200 to $400 in the morning, and then in the afternoon, maybe somebody buys a little bit of clicking, a little bit of leads. All right, maybe some education, make another $100. Okay, then someone joins LiveGood real quick, $25. Okay, and if they go to Legacy, they have courses from $1 to $3 to $6 to $900. I own those courses outright. Guys, it is so nice. You should check it out. Go to the900group.com. You're going to freak out with the Legacy program right here. Just watch Michelle, like I said. And if you like what you see, the900group.com. livegoods.com. But everything is inside this funnel. Why not just have everything inside this shopping mall? Okay. There's videos. Okay. Check it out. See what's going on. And there's training. The training's awesome. It's all just short videos on how to do this, how to do that, how to configure your funnel to maximize your profits. And Traffic Authority is just insane. Between Legacy Builders Program and Traffic Authority, guys, it's all I need. It's all I need to make mega money each month. Okay. It's been a wild ride because, like I said, I've only been doing this basically since April of 2023. And here it is a year and a half later, and I've got 6 incomes online. 4 of them are right here. Okay. Multiple income funnel. I think it's absolutely required to be successful in Live Good. I think it's absolutely required to be successful in Legacy Builders Program. Okay. Because I know if I take away the funnel, that I've made my job probably 500 times harder. It's easier if I just say, pleasewatchvideo.com. You guys relax, check out the funnel, check out Legacy, check out Live Good, see if Traffic Authority has something that you might like. Okay. And all I can do is just storytell. It's been very humbling and very exciting to be successful, not only with the funnel, but in Live Good, with Legacy, with my AI opportunity, my email program. I even make money by turning my Gmail into an autoresponder. How do I do all this? I just set them up, each in opportunity one time. I go to GoDaddy and buy a simple domain for $11, and then I forward to each capture page of all 6 opportunities. And like I said, they all complement each other. They're not all over the place. It's perfectly blended. It's taken me, and I didn't even try to get 6 opportunities. I was happy just with Live Good. Then the funnel came up and I went, this is ingenious. Then Legacy came and I went, wow, $900 a day. You know, I made $6,000, $7,000 just in the last, I think 10 days now as I produce this video, just with Legacy Builders Program. And all I do is say the900group.com, or I can say, please watch video. All right. .com right there in the middle of your screen. And that way I promote Live Good and Legacy and Traffic Authority and the funnel. All video does everything for me. Why I'm sleeping, eating, hiking, fishing, screwing often. Okay. Drinking one of my energy drinks, which I shouldn't drink, or maybe having a nice hot coffee. But guys, whoo, what a cool opportunity you're looking at right now. Okay. So do me a favor, click pleasewatchvideo.com. All I want you to do is watch this video. It's well made. It's really entertaining too. You'll get a kick out of it. And if you like what you see, just click the button, climb aboard. I'll definitely help you. I've got a whole email that shows you how I set up my funnel. And that's it. There's customer service. Mandy is awesome. I think Jason is the other guy there. Greg is the owner of Traffic Authority, and great people. I've been with this opportunity, I think about a year. I got probably about a year under my belt. Okay. And I've been consistently a top recruiter in this company 6 out of 7 months. Currently, as I make this October of 2028, I'm number 1 in the company as well. Okay. I'll help you guys. Whatever I can do to help you succeed, awesome. Especially if you sign up in my opportunities, because if you make more money, so do I. My intentions, brutally honest, is I want to help you kick ass because it means more money to me. All right. So get a hold of me. You need something? Go ahead and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Okay, just click the little subscribe button. And if I'm on Facebook, I'm easy to find there too. Just type in Cory Draper. You'll see my giant forehead, my silver Santa beard. And go ahead and get a hold of me on the inbox. I'm not shy, guys, but let's do some business. All right, I want you to buy some Lego kits and Hot Wheels, and we'll talk AC/DC or something. Okay, and let's have some fun. Don't overcomplicate this. After you set up these opportunities, at the end of the day, you're just going to invite people to a link. They're going to watch videos and your work is done. Seriously, that's all I do all day at this point. And it's fun, especially when the money's there. You can't help. You can't sleep at night. You kind of freak out. You're like, man, this is awesome. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for the last 15 minutes. Okay. And subscribe to my channel and watch more videos. Okay. Take care. See you next video.